Hi, I'm Brandon Neldner. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect, part of the VMware Lab Platform team. And today I'm talking about the VMware Lab Platform Interactive Quick Demo Lab. So the lab is a great introduction to VMware Lab Platform. We walk users through the user interface and some of the very high-level introductory portions of being able to create lab environments, walking them through the structures and properties of labs, how to develop the manual content, as well as walking them through setting up a classroom for the first time, setting up user accounts for instructors and students, and what that overall experience works like. So this lab is really geared towards both system administrators and instructors for being able to deliver instructional lab content. So anybody in the education field or even in the IT services field that needs to deliver infrastructure in an automated way for instructive delivery. Because VLP, VMware Lab Platform, is a SaaS service, it's really continually being updated. So the capabilities and feature sets are always evolving, but the lab content is really up to the end users for what they want to train their end users with. So I think that it's a great starting point for any of your users that are looking to leverage the platform for their own educational training content. And it's also a great refresher for any of your admins looking to try some of the newest, latest capabilities, because the lab is constantly being updated. It's actually using our production service, so it's never out of date.